Hi, in this course we will try to know about the index in SQL. SQL index statement. Indexes are used to retrieve data from database more quickly than otherwise. The users cannot see the indexes, they are just used to speed up searches or queries. When should indexes be avoided? Although indexes are intended to enhance a database performance, there are times when they should be avoided. Indexes should not be used on small tables. Tables that have frequent large batch updates or insert operations. Indexes should not be used on columns that contain a high number of null values. Columns that are frequently manipulated should not be indexed. SQL syntax. Create index. Create index name on table name, then column 1, column 2, and so on. Drop index name on table name. So let's go to the query window to see the simple example of index. Here we have person info table, so select start from person info. Let's execute. Yes, we have two records, 1 and 2, David and David Cameron. So we can use index for first name here. So we just want to create the index first. Create index, then index name index underscore person info on, then table name dbo.personinfo. Which column? Here we just want to use first name. Yes, I just want to add the index for first name. So if I execute this section, so execute this again. Yes, comments completed successfully. So we have an index for person info table. So let's go the person info table and expand the indexes here. Just refresh. Yes, we have a index for name, index person info, and if we generate the script, create new query editor window. So here is our person info index person info index for first name. In this way we can add the person index in a table. So here is the question: when we do need index, index can be used to speed up our database query, like select query and where clause. On that situation we can use index, but index has some drawbacks. When we do need the update column for first name or any other column, or insert data for that column, we should in frequent situation we just have to ignore the index on the table. But index that can be very helpful if we want to increase or speed up our database query, like select statement or where clause. We must have to add the index in our table. So in this way we can use index in our table. Thank you so much. Keep watching the next video. Thank you again.